The next we are going to learn about the grammar of MUKI. The first grammar in this video clip we learn is MUKE, right? But now we learn MUKI. MUKI and MUKE is very similar. In here, grammar MUKI is mean suitable for. Suitable for. And in Japanese, when you use the grammar of MUKI, you can use with the noun only. And in here, you can use MUKI in hiragana or in kanji. And you see here, the first one we write in kanji, and the second we write in hiragana. You can use which one you want to use, just depend to you. And it has the same meaning like suitable for me, for you, for them, for us, something like this. So the next, let's see some sample. The first sample, このプレゼントは10歳の女の子向きだ。このプレゼントは10歳の女の子向きだ。Which means this present is suitable for a 10-year-old girl. This present is suitable for a 10-year-old girl. In example, 若い女性向きの小説を書いています。若い女性向きの小説を書いています。Which means I'm writing a short novel for young women. I'm writing a short novel for young women. For the first sentence, we'll see that we use with the noun 女の子. 女の子 is mean for a young girl, right? In here they say 10 years, right? 10-year-old girl. Muki, which means is suitable for that thing. In here, our thing is 女の子, which means old girl or small girl. And for the second sentence that we use 若い女性向き, right? 若い女性 is mean for woman. 若い is mean young woman. In here, our noun in here is 女性 or 若い女性, right? 若い女性向き which means suitable for young women or for young women, right? So in this sentence, they say 若い女性向きの小説を書いています. That means I'm writing a short novel for young women, not old women, right? Not for old men or adult, right? So in the market, you should have your target, right? Your target customer, right? So I mean, this sentence, the person who write this sentence, target customer is 若い女性 is mean young women, right? The next, こういう本は若い読者向きではない。こういう本は若い読者向きではない。Which means these kinds of books are not suitable for young readers. These kinds of books are not suitable for young readers. The next example, 彼は青少年向きの本をたくさん持っている。彼は青少年向きの本をたくさん持っている。Which means he has a lot of books made for young people. He has a lot of books made for young people. For the first sentence, in our now in here we say 読者 is mean reader or the person that who like reading. read many documents, right? And in here they say wakai. Wakai is mean young, so young readers. Muki, which mean for young reader, but devana is mean not for young reader, right? And for the second sentence, they say in our now in here they say seishonen. Seishonen is mean young people, not women only or men only, but both. Young people, if you are young people, they make for you, right? So seishonen muki no hong, which means the book for the young people, like this. And I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of muki. Thank you much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。